Hi friends, this is your Python partner here. So let's continue discussing our turtle module. So first let's see the assignment solution. Okay, in last video, I've asked you all to draw some intricate patterns using circle, and that too it should appear in the same screen as that of our star pattern which we did during our session. So let's see this program. So what actually we have to do? We have to add some program lines into our that program so that both our star pattern and as well as the circle pattern designs will appear on the same screen. So after the completion of that star pattern, we have hidden our turtle friend using this toy.hide turtle of method. Fine, I hope you remember. So after that, we are just going to call for toy.pinup of method. Then we are asking our turtle friend to go to this particular coordinates. I have set that to minus 200 and minus 50. Then we are calling pen down of method. Now our turtle friend is ready to draw whatever we want it to. And so we are choosing the pen color. I have chosen that white color. Okay. And now here, yes, a for loop. So for color in colors. So colors, it is nothing but the list of colors, right? Red, blue, orange, green. I hope you remember that. Yes. So, and then inside that loop, the fill color is set by this color. Okay, so first it will be red. Okay, now the fill color is set to red. Then what we have to do, the shape which we have to fill with colors need to be wrapped between this begin fill of and end fill of method. So that's what it is. So we have called for toy.begin fill of method. Then the for loop comes here. So the for loop, yes, it is set to range of 1. So then it is going to draw the circle with radius 40, and then it is just going to take a right turn, okay, by 50 degrees. So now toy.end fill off. So what happens? The whole circle will be filled with red color. Then again what happens? Again the loop runs to the outer for loop. Now the color would be set to blue. Now again the same functionality happens, like the circle would be drawn and it is filled with the color blue. Then again the loop will run to the outer for loop. So this happens till the color it reaches the end of the list. What it is? Yellow. Okay, yes. So after that it is completed. So let's see the output. So now we got our desired output, and even if our circle design is not much intricate, still it looks beautiful, right? Elegant, yes. I thought of keeping it simple. So if you want to make it more intricate, yes, you can do it by including some number of for loops, as well as by making it to draw the circle with different radius. Then it would be so beautiful. Fill much colors and have fun, yes. Let's start discussing turtle event handling methods using this program. Okay, so starting of this program, we have imported our turtle and screen class from the turtle module. Then we have created two objects like screen for screen class and toy for turtle class. And we got 4 different methods. So method number 1 is move forward, where we are asking the toy to move forward by 20 steps, and move backward, asking the turtle to move backward 20 steps, and turn right and turn left. Yes, we are asking the turtle to turn right or left by 30 degree. And here comes our event handling methods. So here screen.listen of method. So it is nothing but the listen of method is from the screen class, and it is telling the turtle screen to listen for the events that is bound to happen. It could be a keyboard press or a mouse clicks. Okay, so it is like it is enabling that event handling functions. Okay, so it has to be called before any sort of event handling. If not, the screen would not capture any sorts of events. Okay, so we have to keep this in mind. And then, yes, we are going to see on key of method. So on key of method, it is also from the screen class. And here the parameters needs to be the function which has to be triggered when a particular key is pressed and lifted. Okay, so in this first line, screen.onkey off, and I have passed that move forward function reference, and it is binded with that up arrow key. Okay, so what happens when the up arrow key is pressed and lifted? Our turtle would move forward by 20 steps, because that is what this move forward function does. Okay, so likewise in the next line we have binded move backward with the down arrow key. So when the down arrow key is pressed and lifted, this move backward function would be triggered. So this is how it happens. So to the right and left, I have just binded that turn right and turn left of methods. Okay, yes. So let's see the output. So I just clicked some forward, backward, and right and left turns. So this is how that output looks like. So what if you have to continuously perform an action? Like you have to keep on pressing a key and to continuously control the turtle object's movement, then you need some methods, right? So here comes on key press and on key release methods. Both the methods are from screen class. Okay, so let's see. In the same program, now we got two functions here. Okay, so move forward and stop message off. Stop message off, it is nothing, just it is going to print a message like key released. Okay, so after the listen off method is called, here screen.onkeypress off. Now we have binded the up key with forward, move forward function, and once when the key is pressed, continuously we have to keep it in that same format, like in the pressing mode. Okay, so only when this move forward will be triggered, and it is continuously the turtle will be move forward by 20 steps. Okay, so once when the key is released, on key press method completes its execution. Now the program control comes to the next line, that is screen.onkeyRelease off. So this method, yes, it gets triggered because that up key got released. So now what execution happens? The stop message function will be executed. And what is the output we get? Yes, we can see key released printed in the console. So how many times we release our hold of that up key? We can see continuously the key release, key release, key release. If not, yes, continuously your turtle keeps on moving. Okay, so let's see the output. So in the turtle graphics window, you could see this turtle is moving forward, and several times I released that up key. So here in the console, you could see how many times it is, like key release here. So yes, so we got our desired output. So that's it for the session today, friends, and I hope you really understand the session. So do practice and include these event handling methods as well in your practice session, and try creating some small games and play around and have fun with programming. And don't forget to like and share this video. And if you got any doubts regarding this session, yes, do ask me about it, and I'll just make sure to clear your doubts as soon as possible. And most important thing is, yes, join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting and fun-filled one. Bye bye and take care.